Hey guys, it's Summer and welcome to my channel. Let's be honest, we all have those little irritations in our work routine, right? The kind that aren't groundbreaking, but just pesky enough to stick in our minds. Well, let me share one of mine from the good old days of Universal Analytics. Picture this. Every single time I wanted to dig a bit deeper into my audience, I had to carve out a segment. In itself, this wasn't a terrible thing. I mean, we all appreciate the value of a well-defined audience segment, right? However, the twist in the tale comes after I was done with the analysis. That's right, the segment I'd created, more often than not, ended up sitting around, stored away, just waiting to be deleted. And between you and me, I seldom made the time to clean up these old segments. My bad, I know. Sounds a bit annoying, doesn't it? Well, fear not, digital analytics gurus, because our savior, Google Analytics 4, is here to make things so much smoother. GA4 lets you wave a magic wand and create temporary audience segments with no long-term commitment. Here's how it works. With the aid of the all-powerful comparisons tool, you can easily generate audience segments. The best part? This tool is readily available on every reporting page. This means you can analyze and compare data to your heart's content without the nagging worry of all those old segments piling up. It's like having a neat and tidy digital workspace every single time you start your analysis. Now you might be wondering, what if I want to create a segment that's more permanent? Rest easy, GA4's got your back. Whenever you want to create a segment that sticks around, you can still do so. And now you can do this in two different ways. First, you can use the configuration screen. It's designed for tasks just like this. Or, if you're feeling a bit adventurous, why not give the explorations area a whirl? It's perfect for creating segments that you can revisit and analyze over time. So there you have it, guys. No more little annoyances, no more digital clutter, just seamless, flexible audience segmentation in GA4. It's time to roll up our sleeves and dive into the wonderful world of clutter-free data analysis. Remember, in the realm of GA4, you're the master of your segments. Happy analyzing!